Using an American Express gift card in store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, make sure your gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover the purchase you want to make. You can check your balance by visiting the American Express website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Next, take your gift card to the store where you want to make a purchase and let the cashier know that you would like to pay with the American Express gift card. They will swipe the card and enter the amount of the purchase. You will then be asked to sign the receipt to authorize the transaction. It is essential to note that some merchants may have specific policies regarding the use of gift cards. So it is a good idea to ask the cashier if they accept American Express gift cards before you start the checkout process. Additionally, if the purchase amount exceeds the balance on your gift card, you can use a second form of payment to cover the remaining amount. To avoid any issues, make sure to handle your gift card like cash and keep it in a safe place. If your gift card is lost or stolen, contact American Express customer service immediately to report the incident and have the card replaced. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use your gift card as soon as possible to avoid any potential issues with expiration dates or balance inquiries. You should also keep your receipt and the gift card itself in case you need to return an item or dispute a charge. Overall, using an American Express gift card in store is a convenient and easy way to make purchases. By following these simple steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.